The Resilience is a proud member of Spyderco's value series of folding knives, which provide all the proven features and benefits of our revolutionary clip-it format in budget-friendly packages. More than 20% larger than our flagship value folder, the Tenacious, the Resilience was designed to provide the same affordable convenience, versatility, and strength, but in a bigger size that is better suited to large hands and demanding cutting chores. Introduced in 2011, the original version of the Resilience features full stainless steel liners and peel-ply textured G10 scales. Skeletonized to reduce weight, the liners form the foundation of the knife's sturdy LinerLock mechanism and are linked by stainless steel standoffs to create an easily cleaned, open-backed handle construction. They also anchor a heavy-duty 4-position pocket clip that supports left and right side tip-up or tip-down carry. The Resilience's blade is crafted from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel and has a full flat grind for optimal edge geometry and cutting efficiency. Its edge also extends all the way to the handle for exceptional cutting power and control. To make this workhorse design even more affordable and versatile, in 2021 Spyderco introduced a lightweight Resilience with injection molded fiberglass reinforced nylon, or FRN, scales. Molded with Spyderco's signature bidirectional texture pattern, the lightweight scales provide enhanced grip security and reduce the overall weight of the knife by almost 12%. For tactical end users, we also added an all-black version with a black oxide blade coating and black handle hardware. Raising the bar even higher, we also created a version of the Resilience lightweight model that proudly features CPM S35VN blade steel. This premium American-made powder metallurgy stainless steel offers a significant improvement in edge holding over 8CR13 MOV and literally ushers in a new era in the evolution of this design. No matter which version of the Resilience you choose, we are confident it will not only meet your needs, but exceed your expectations.